There's the old sign for the Hotel Denver, which is what this used to be. Now this is the Maxwell Anderson Hotel. Yeah, I guess they modded the Series 1.
Yeah, it used to be in Otis. That's just a sticker.
Open to frying pan. Here we go. Interesting door pattern they made on it. Yeah.
They modded this.
No more Series 1.
This literally wasn't that old.
Jeez.
This wasn't even that old. Like, if we go back and look at my video of it, let's pull it up. See if I can get it to come up. Seriously though, mod, like really.
Going down?
I'm waiting, so
Okay.
I'll
We're
be
just
going
so-
down shortly.
We're just showing, making a video around
Oh, yeah.
the place.
Here, you guys can want to see
Oh,
here.
thank you. I appreciate it. Get a
Let
little.
me see if I can
Pretty
find it.
awesome, isn't it?
Oh, it's such a beautiful place. Really neat. Oh, look, the windows look out into here. So some of the rooms actually look out into this part. Thank you. I
Yeah, we
appreciate
went
it.
up and down, we found the back stairs and went up to the fourth
Such
floor.
a neat little place, isn't it?
Yeah, we were gonna try and stay at the Colorado Hotel, and we went over there to look around. And
That's
I wouldn't have stayed there.
really
They gave me a room. It was the most
too
nasty.
creepy.
Oh, it was just nasty. And
Oh, really?
it's like DIY electric down the hallways, metal and silver and conduit, and
Really?
it was like, what in the world? And it smelled like old water, and
Oh, Jesus.
it was just not. This was so the Colorado. This is like 180 degrees different.
This was
Oh,
now?
stellar. No.
They've remodeled this place.
Yeah, this is night and day. This is so much better.
The Hotel Colorado, they remodeled that one too, but it's just because of the
About
way the
100
building
years
is.
ago.
Yeah, it's because of the way that building is built. There's only so much they can actually, in fact, legally do to it because it's a historic registrar.
Well, they could finish the ceilings.
Yeah,
I think
right?
They could do that.
Is it like the rooms?
Here, Nate,
No.
let's head up to 2.
In here, it's like conduit and metal and pipes.
I
and-
think I remember that,
It was
right?
like, what?
It kind of
Someone's
did a
unfinished
disservice to the historicness.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You as well.
What do you want to go to 2 for?
Just to see if the service is original.
Oh, if they modded that, that'd be so sad.
I know.
I think this one actually got modded a while ago, considering it doesn't have.
Just hitting a button so it goes, just so something's
I
left in
wonder,
the
the
picture.
camera there, is that for two-way comm or is that for?
No, that's the regular camera. Alright, let's see here. Before we end the video, let's see.
So
Here's
here's my
the
old
old
video of the series.
service elevator original. Oh yeah, hold on, let's see that in a minute. Wow, this is quite a confusing place. Yes, it is.
So that's
This one is still here. Anyway, that's all.